So, dito sa verse natin, na Revelation 20:10, pinapakita lang na sa pagbabalik ng ating Panginoong Jesus, there is a complete power of redemption na mangyayari. It's a complete process na kung saan andun dapat yung pasasalamat natin. Why? Because now, when Jesus came back, magkakaroon tayo ng complete restoration. And yung promise na babaguhin yung mundo in a perfectly ways is mangyayari. So, kailangan natin panghawakan yung promise na yun. And even yung mga evil will is matapos na. Maglasting into pieces na. And yung importante kasi itong verse na to, maturuan tayo na wait and hope. That there is still wait and hope. Live with a purpose and serve while waiting of His return. Sa pagbabalik niya, andun yung ma-enjoy natin yung purpose natin dito sa mundo. Habang nag-aantay tayo, piniprepare natin yung mga bagay-bagay, lalo na yung serving Him. As we look forward ahead, na manatili sa atin yung faithful, ma-develop sa atin yung faithful in the present time right now, na andun yung hope natin that God rule our heart. Rule our heart and longing for the comeback of our Lord Jesus Christ. So, yung magandang panghawakan natin, that we prepare for His return. So, meron din, I shall return si Jesus Christ, na yung pagdating niya, hindi wawasakin yung mundo, kundi it's a victorious coming back of Jesus Christ. Because that ito rin yung time that Satan was released for judgment. Because Satan is a defeated foe, at ito yung pagkakataon for his judgment, kasama ng mga nasasakupan niya, diba? So, ito yung pag-asa natin. It's a complete promise of redemptions of the world, at hindi yung pagbabalik ni Kristo yung wawasakan yung creation na ginawa niya. Hindi. The earth, the world be fully restored. And andun yung ultimate hope natin at kasayahan natin sa pagbabalik niya, na andun yung patiently waiting, diba? Example, kapag kunyari meron tayo mga kamag-anak sa abroad na pauwi na, diba, yung pakiramdam natin sobrang saya and excited tayo. Hopefully, the moment na dating ng ating Panginoong Jesus, mas pa yung excitement and happiness natin that He will come back finally. At this time, mas mararanasan natin siya at makikita natin siya sa buhay natin. Yun, so hope dito is meron tayong natutunan na Jesus, meron siyang comeback, return, hindi para sirain yung mundo, kundi para i-restore yung creation na ginawa niya perfectly. Hope you learned something. Thank you, everyone.